Hey guys, I'm Angie Perry with Ladies Behind the Gun, and I've got a new handgun from Ruger. This is the RXM 9mm. It has a double stack mag, comes with 2 mags, has the option to mount a red dot sight on it. This one here does not have a threaded muzzle, but you can actually change the barrel out to have a threaded muzzle. So I think I'm probably going to get a hold of Ruger and make that request so that I can put a suppressor on this for the ladies event. But I've got all sorts of ammo out here, and I'm going to test the ammo to see what its favorite is before I do my CWP class, so that it makes me look better than I am. That's the whole purpose of this. I've got ammo from Hornady, Double Tap, Fiocchi, Winchester. I also got some ammo from Ammo on the Go, which is MagTech, the Black Hills, as well as some Aguila. So I've never tried any of those ones, but we're going to test them out today and see. Who knows? They might be the Ruger RXM's favorite. I'm going to shoot for center just because I'm not sure exactly what yet. Okay, so I'm shooting low and left. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna load it up one more time, and I'm gonna speed shoot it just to make sure there's no hang-ups or anything like that. Just kind of running through the handgun, making sure there's no problems. So we're gonna do that first. And then bring it up and out. So, no issues. Gun shoots great. No jams. Oh, that one was really odd. Yeah, that's not great. But it may be the ammo. I don't know. I'm gonna take a picture of it, and we'll go with that. These are 9mm, 147 grain, jacketed hollow points. So I'm imagining these ones are gonna have a bit more recoil to them. Nope. Low. Let me load one more. Yeah, that's not bad. That one wasn't bad at all. Not bad at all. These are the Winchester Defenders, 9mm, 147 grain hollow points. Bonded jacketed hollow points. So, I'm going to shoot the other target. Okay, that was pretty good. Pretty damn good. And I'm going to shoot for center. Looks like it's all right there together. Together. Let's, I'll shoot this other one. I'm going to shoot for center. Okay, little left. Not as good as the last ones for sure. I'm going to try out the Subsonic. Low. Low. Yeah, all right. So, next up, we'll do the Fiocchi. Let's do 115 grains first. which, I mean, honestly, when you're carrying the CWP, I mean, you're carrying it for self-defense, so you really don't want target loads. Hollow points are the best to carry. All right, here we go. All right, so not the best, but not absolutely like terrible. So next up, the Fiocchi 124 grain. These are covert X's. Hollow point, definitely something you'd want for self-defense. Aiming for not bad. It does not mean, like I've told you guys before, it does not mean they're bad bullets. It just means this gun's not a fan of them. So we'll go ahead and do the small box first of the lead-free. Uh-oh. We got to jam. And again. Yeah, it's got to be those bullets.
This is nice. Oh my God. Comes right back down. Good Lord, that's a nice freaking gun.
Thank you, Ruger.
I'm shocked because I usually don't care for Rugers that much. That's a home run. That's
nice.
A home run. That is a flippin' home run.
Sweet.
That changes my opinion about Ruger. 100%.
The double tap 9mm plus P 115 grain DT lead free. The empty cartridge is actually jammed in the gun, so we're not going to use those. These ones are from the same company, but they shot just fine. Double tap 115 grain full metal jacket, round nose, so no hollow point. And every time if I get two like that, I've got to figure that first one has got to be me. So I got to try another one. So it's got to be, definitely got to be me. Yeah, that was a whole lot better. Whole lot better. 9mm, 124 grain, jacketed hollow points. There we go. There we go. That was good. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. These are Colt, made by Double Tap, just like the last one's Colt Defense. These are Colt competition ammunition. They are 124 grain, full metal jacket, round nose. Target on the left first. Ooh. And a miss. Wow, those are all over the place. MagTech, 115 grain full metal jackets. Huh. Well, didn't steal the show. Black Hills ammunition. Ugh, hate tearing the box up. Black Hills ammunition. These are 124 grain jacketed hollow points. Oh, lovely. That was That was beautiful. Beautiful. All right, last bullets. These are Aguila ammunition, 9mm, 124 grain, full metal jackets. Yeah, that's good. That's good. We'll go with that. And all right, guys, so after shooting everything, these are some of the favorites. Double taps that have made it to the final round. We've got Winchester, 147 grain jacketed hollow point, Winchester 9mm, 147 grain bonded jacketed hollow point, Hornady's critical defense, those are 115 grains, and then these ones I think it was these ones and maybe the Winchester Defenders that actually did the absolute best. Oh yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, lovely. Okay, so not as good as the first group that I shot with those ones, but oh yeah, that's lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. Oh, that might be the best. Might be absolutely the best group. All right, guys, so just so you guys can tell, it's completely unloaded, no mag, and the slide was open. So this is the RUGER RXM 9mm, and I brought it out here to do an ammo test to see which bullets I was going to be using for my CWP. And because you don't want to show up with bullets that the gun hates and then it makes you look bad. So show up with bullets that the gun loves and then both of you can look good, right? So I've got these 5 and I absolutely think the Winchesters, these ones right here, jacketed hollow point, I think those ones actually are 100, I don't know. Winchester Defense did pretty good too. The double tap. So I would actually say the double tap and the 2 Winchesters did the absolute best on the final round. And I actually had Kevin from Live Fire Training Academy. He came over and he shot it a couple times and he said it's definitely a winner. 2 thumbs up. Ruger did a great job. He said he's actually not one who's a fan of Ruger guns, but this has changed his mind.
That's
nice.
A home run. That is a flipping home run.
Sweet.
That changes my opinion about Ruger. 100%.
Super sweet. I'm glad he was able to come over here and check that out. But guys, that is the ammo test for the Ruger. Let me pick it up again. The Ruger RXM 9mm, which will be what I train for my CWP with. If you don't have your CWP, be encouraged to get it. If you do have it, encourage somebody else to get theirs. That's going to be it for today, guys. I'm Angie Perry with Ladies Behind the Gun. Y'all don't just have a good day. I'm just going to keep on saying it. Have an awesome one. See ya.